Vaccine is a planning thing. Vaccine is a preventive measure. It's not a curative measure. It's not a cure. It's a prevention. Welcome to our today's version. Today we are treating vaccines. What are vaccines? Vaccines are biological substances. These biological substances are capable of triggering immune response or making the body to produce antibodies against that very organism that is coming in. To every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Now, whenever a germ is introduced into our body has a way of triggering immune response to fight against that germ. That is for those of us that are active, for those of us that our immune system is not yet down. That is the way God created our body. It's going to try to fight. It is when that germ overshadows our own immune response that we might fall ill or we might not recover from it, one thing or the other. But if our bodies should trigger that immune response, our body can fight that. Scientists thought it wise that let us create a weakened one. That is why vaccines contain either live weakened or they call it attenuated, anyway, live weakened attenuated organism, or it contains the dead or killed part of the organism that is capable of triggering immune response. Once this part is taken, they mix it with some preservatives and some things that will help preserve that very vaccine, so it's not going to be bad before you receive it. Once this thing is deposited in your body, remember, this one is weakened or is killed or is just a part of it. What it does is that it's going to trigger, it's not the real organism now, it's going to trigger your immune response. Once it triggers your immune response to produce antibodies, next time whenever there is an invasion of that very organism, your body remembers that it has done something like this before. Now it's not going to take a very long period of time again to be able to fight against that thing. It's the fighting against it will be shorter. It's going to be easier for the body to just easily fight against it immediately, because most times where there is a problem is that before the body will finish activating, just like the current pandemic now, before the body will finish activating, producing all what it needs to fight against that germ, the germ must have done more harm. That is why a vaccine is needed. Now, for those of us saying that sick people take vaccine, once you are down with that very organism, there is no need of giving you vaccine. You can't take vaccine. Vaccines are normally given to those people that are not yet exposed to that very organisms, because there is a particular video that is going around saying that once you're infected you'll be called to be given vaccine. No. You can't take vaccine when you are already down. Vaccine is meant for you when you are not yet suffering from that very organism that you are to be vaccinated for. But once you're already down with that very organism, you need treatment now, no longer vaccine. Vaccine is a planning thing. Vaccine is a preventive measure. It's not a curative measure. It's not a cure. It's a prevention. Now that we've understood vaccines, we are going to first align some of the vaccine preventable diseases in our subsequent videos, because I have a lot of topic I'm talking about. So if I do this one, I do this one, I do this one, I just want to touch vaccine a little bit. That is why I made this video today. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up this video for me and subscribe, share to others so that they can also enjoy it. Thank you very much. Bye. I love you guys.